The Fuvision P webcam. Package includes a webcam, manual, and the cable, and a little tripod. Here are the features: 1080p mic, autofocus, compatible with Linux, Android, Ubuntu, Windows, Chrome, OS, Mac OS, and Xbox One. Here's the back end. Here we're going to do the tripod install. So you just twist the tripod to the bottom part of the webcam and lock it. So next we're just going to look at the universal clip. And so this is how you connect it to your monitor. Here's the side, back. And so you just want to make sure it's on top and snug, and to remove all the stickers and everything, the tape and everything. Next we're going to do the audio test and the resolution test. Okay, so I'm recording the webcam, and so hopefully the audio is working. As you can tell, it's very clear. And this is the webcam. Very little lag. I'm using the Filmora software. I've used other software, and it all depends on what software you're using. Because some of them are too darker, some of them are lighter, some of them are bright. So a big factor will also be your software. So the lighting around you. But I'm probably like 3 feet away, and I'm gonna scoot back, and so probably like 10 feet away, right next to my treadmill. But hopefully you still hear the audio. And so again, I'm like 3 feet away and like a foot away. So this is the webcam, and again, all determined by software, lighting, settings. I mean, you need to make sure your resolution is the right settings, frame rate, your audio, and so it looks really good. Very little lag. The lighting is perfect, and so really impressed with the webcam.